Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. Friends, I have already created the video where I have already explained how we can create our own voice assistant. Okay, you can call it a Jarvis also. So basically we are going to configure our own voice assistant on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, but this time we are going to create the voice assistant with our own language. Means you can ask the Wikipedia questions to our Raspberry Pi 4 in your language, and Raspberry Pi 4 will be also speak that particular question result in your own language. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, as I told you, I have already created, or we have already know that we can configure our Raspberry Pi 4 as our own voice assistant using the speech recognition program, the Python speech recognition program. Okay, but in that video we create the voice assistant but in English language. Okay, in today's video we are going to create our own voice assistant with our own local language. Okay, there are so many languages. You can ask question in your own language to Raspberry Pi 4. The Wikipedia questions I will show you first, the demo. Okay, then Raspberry Pi 4 will be speak that particular question result in your language. Okay, so I am going to show you the demo. So first I am going to just speak with the Spanish language. Okay, and we are going to ask our Raspberry Pi 4 name of goldfish. So this is just an English sentence, name of goldfish, and Raspberry Pi 4 will be search that particular question answer on the Wikipedia on internet, and it will speak in the Spanish language. So I am going to basically ask this question to our Raspberry Pi 4 in Spanish language. Okay, so let's just start the demo. So friends, first we need to download the repository. Okay, so open the browser. As you can see, Jarvis in your language. This is what the folder. Okay, so simply click on here, code, copy the link, minimize the browser, and simply we are going to run the command sudo git clone and paste that link, and it will download our folder which is the Jarvis in your language. Okay, clear the screen. Then of course we need to go inside the folder. So cd and folder name Jarvis in your language. Just hit enter. If I run the ls command, this is what our install.sh script. Okay, so simply sudo chmod 775 install.sh, hit enter. It will give the full permission to our installation script. It will install all the packages which basically need for this project. Okay, then simply /install.sh, run the bash script, hit enter. It will install all the packages, the including the speech recognition, the Wikipedia, the GTTS, all these packages automatically install. You need to simply give the full permission and just run the script install.sh. Okay, so I have already installed the packages, so that's why it says here that the requirement is already satisfied. Okay, so simply give the full permission and just hit the command /install.sh, and it will run the bash script. That's it. So we have successfully installed the packages. Also friends, remember one thing, this is the latest Raspbian OS, the 32-bit version. I have already run the sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade command. So remember one thing, you need to install the latest Raspbian OS, the 32-bit version. Also you need to first update and upgrade your system. Then you need to download the repository, then give the full permission for install.sh, then run the install.sh. That's it. We have all done with basic setup. Now we are ready, and I am going to show you the demo. As I told you, I am going to speak with the Raspberry Pi 4 in Spanish. Okay, and English. Basically we are going to ask this question, name of goldfish. So let's just start. Sudo python 3 and our script is translate.py. Now I am going to hit enter. Nombre del pez dorado. As you can see friends, here this is what my question. This is the Spanish question.
El pez dorado, Carassius auratus, es un pez de agua dulce de la familia de los ciprinidae del orden de los cipriniformes. Se mantiene comúnmente como mascota en acuarios de interior y es uno de los peces de acuario más populares. सुनहरी मछली, Carassius auratus, Cyprinidae परिवार में एक मीठे पानी की मछली है, जो कि साइप्रिन फॉर्मिस के क्रम में है। यह आमतौर पर इंडोर एक्वेरियम में पालतू जानवर के रूप में रखा जाता है और यह सबसे लोकप्रिय एक्वेरियम मछली में से एक है। The goldfish, Carassius auratus, is a freshwater fish in the family Cyprinidae of order Cypriniformes. It is commonly kept as a pet in indoor aquariums and is one of the most popular aquarium fish.
So friends, as you can see, this is the way the program is work. You need to ask the question in your language. I have just speak with here Spanish, okay, and is it the Raspberry Pi 4 basically speak with us the Spanish language, okay. So you can ask any question, okay. So now I am going to show you the code. Sudo nano and this is what our script translate.py, okay. So this is what this is all the modules, okay. Then this is what the audio function, when we speak it will convert in the language ES. So ES is basically the Spanish language code. You can get this all code here, okay, developers.google.com. and as I told you, I have right now set here a Spanish. So if you search here for the Spanish, as you can see here, where it is, yes, here it is, Spanish code is basically the ES. So that's why I set the audio function ES, okay. So ES means the Spanish. Now you can speak with ES, means you can speak with the Spanish language. You can ask the Raspberry Pi questions in Spanish language. If you want to go with your own language, just search your language code, okay. So if you want to go with the Chinese, just set your language code and ask the question in your language, okay. If you want to go with the Italian, then just set the ID is the, as you can see here, let me show. This is what the Italian, sorry, not ID stands for the Indonesian, okay. As you can see here, Indonesian. So Italian code is IT. So simply you need to replace this ES with the IT, okay. Then ask the question. Then this is what audio function, you need to change here your you need to mention your language code here, okay. So right now is ES because I have speak with the Spanish, okay. Then this is what the Wikipedia function, as you can see, this is what the Wikipedia function. So we don't want to change the language for here, the Wikipedia. So don't change anything here. Here we need to set the English because the Wikipedia is basically in the English. So it will convert and it will search your query in English, okay. Then this is what our speak function means. This is what the function where our Raspberry Pi will speak, okay. So the by default speak function set with the English because this is the GTTS module. You know I have already created the video. So GTTS module, so GTTS, so as you can see here I have mentioned the GTTS. So this is what our speak function, language English. So don't change here in speak functions, don't change the language. Also in wiki, don't change the language. You need to only change the language in audio function as per your language code, okay. And then you need to change here also. Here as you can see, this HI is stand for the Hindi language, okay. if I go here and if I just scroll down and I want to search for the Hindi language, as you can see Hindi code is HI, so that's why I set here HI and 2, this is what the code, as you can see here, this is what the code. Okay, and now as I told you, we want to answer with also the Spanish, so here as you can see the ES, and here also I have set the ES. So you need to change the code, the language code, where in audio, in languages, and then scroll down, and here also. If you want to set just one language, you can set just one language. Okay, I am from India, so I have just set Hindi language also. If you want to simply go with one language, you need to simply comment this one language code, and now you can just your Raspberry Pi 4 will be speak only one language, which is the Hindi language. As you can see, I have set here HI. If you want to go with the Spanish language, you want to set here ES, which is the code of our language. Okay, and also here it will print the language. As you can see here, I have also here set the ES. Okay, so again I will explain you. You need to simply change the audio function and the end function, means the print in the 2 is equal to, you need to mention the language code as per your language code. Also you need to mention here also the code. Okay, so this is the way this program is basically work. Okay friends, so if you want to set, just say, I will show you a example here. If you want to go with let's say French, okay, so I just want to go with the French. So FR is the language code. So what I am going to do, just scroll up here friends, I am going to set the FR is our language code, the French language code. Then scroll down, and here we need to simply change this HI with FR, which is our language code. This is just a variable. Okay, so FR is not basically the code, this is just a code which I have used as a variable. So FR is just a variable, but here this is what our code FR. Now in speaks, as you can see here, I have mentioned 2 variable because I want to go with the 2 language. If you want to simply, now if you want to go with the 1 language, just remove 1 and set only 1. Now I just want to go with the 1 variable. 1 variable means the FR variable. So FR is basically stand for the French language. Okay, so then it will convert the speak module. Okay, it will convert the Wikipedia sentences and it will speak with the French. Okay, and then this is what the speak, this is what by default speak function, which is basically English. So that's why it's convert with your own language. Also it will speak with the English, which is the common all over world we can speak English. Okay, so that's why you can go with your language also you can go with the speak, sorry, not speak, you can go with the English language. Okay, so this is the way friends the program is work. Okay, and after that you can just ask Raspberry Pi 4 Wikipedia questions in your own language. Also the Raspberry Pi 4 will be speak with you in your language, in your own local language, also the English, which is the by default language for our program. Okay friends, so I have shown you the demo, I have shown you how you can change the language and where you can get the code, language code. You need to simply go here, as you can see, developers.google.com, or I will mention the link. Okay, or you can just search for the languages code, you will get the result. Okay, so this is the way friends the program is working. I hope you will learn something from this video, and you can also create your own voice assistant with your own mother tongue. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.